Yeah.
Just like we got road snacks
For
the air.
Yes.
We have to like totally change all of our terminology for these trips.
No, we don't.
And I actually didn't bring like any road snacks. I'm sorry. I failed.
Get out. Just
failed.
you're walking to the airport.
I brought drinks.
Yeah, so we're discussing of like what to bring, what not to bring. So we normally, when we go to Arizona, we normally take our trailer. We also have usually on the Arizona trailer trips, there's a lot more time, like driving time and everything. One of the reasons why I bought the plane was to make it easier on us going back and forth, because we love to skydive, but it's just kind of so hard just on a normal weekend or anything like that.
Or just like a 2.5 day weekend. Like there's just not enough. And with Ian getting bigger and not wanting to sit in the car for as long, it's just been difficult to sit a 10-month-old baby in a car for 6 hours towing the trailer.
Yeah, so one of the reasons that we got the plane was to make these trips. So this is the first one, beer. And so we're like, well, what do we pack? What do we do? A lot of weighing of everything to make sure like we don't exceed the limitations of the plane.
We'll insert a photo of the list of everything that was weighed, and we'll white out our weights.
So what they call the useful load of how much you can fit inside the plane is not as high as what I would like to be. So we got to be picky and choosy.
So today we've calculated how much fuel we'll need with reserves to get where we're going safely, which fell within our useful load for this specific trip. But we were discussing how it's different traveling with our trailer, where you just bring all the stuff that you want.
Toss it in the back.
Just keep throwing it in there, essentially. As long as it fits. Where in the airplane, it's like, okay, do we need this? Or do we need 8 bottles? Are we okay with just 3 bottles? And I remember our first trip with the baby, he was 9 weeks old, and we drove 12.5 hours from El Paso to Lake Havasu for 4th of July weekend.
Thank you, baby, but having fun, Mom?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, but at least we get to test the outdoor shower.
Yep. And we packed so much stuff.
We didn't know.
But we didn't know. Okay, one, it was our first trip with the travel trailer.
Yeah.
So it was like, okay, what do we need for the trailer? And then it was our first trip with the baby, like a big trip with the baby, beyond like going to the grocery store, I guess. And at the time I was pumping, so it was like formula, because I never produced enough, breast pump, portable breast pump, extra bottles, extra milk, storage bags, this extra, that extra, and it was like so much stuff. Like it just grew. So we're learning how to travel with a little person in a plane. Like that's our new challenge right now, is to minimize necessities for trips with a baby.
Last calling on Paso, Terrace again.
Again. Tower 5976, holding short of Quebec, holding short of 261 for takeoff.
Tower 5976, Quebec, Paso, Tower, hold short, traffic on final. Mooney 5976, Quebec, turn right on course, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Call for takeoff, right on course, 276 Quebec.
The winds right now are showing 360 at 3, gusting 19.
Copy, wind back. 360 at 3, gusting to 20. Yeah. That's funny. You ready?
Yeah, I'm good.
Looking for airspeed. Airspeed's alive. 55, 60, 65, 70.
Mooney 76, Quebec, contact departure.
Lower departure for 76 Quebec.
Centurion 761 Bravo Golf El Paso, approach Paso, altimeter 2980.
El Paso approach, Mooney 5976 Quebec with you, just off of El Paso, headed north to the pass.
Meridian 5976 Quebec, correction, Mooney 5967 Quebec, El Paso departure radar contact, maintain VFR at or below 8,500.
Maintain VFR at or below 8,500 for 76 Quebec.
399, turn left heading 090, vector aircraft.
What are we looking at over here?
My work.
Oh. Hi. We're good, right?
Yep.
Everything's good?
Yep.
Everything's normal?
Yep.
We don't weigh too much?
Huh?
We don't weigh too much?
We're definitely maxed out.
November 820, contact tower 1830.
We're getting the turbulence off the mountains right now,
Okay.
which is what I said we were going to do.
That's fine with me as long as it's okay.
We're good.
We got through the pass and then it was smooth sailing. By smooth sailing, I mean 30 knot headwinds, me complaining of the ground speed of a Cessna, Callie freaking out over mountains that she couldn't see even though we were well clear by 1,500 feet, a go around coming into Arizona, taxiing into parking but then had to stop and push the plane backwards and forwards like Austin Powers due to construction on the taxiways. And I was unable to record any of this because of course I left the batteries way far in the cargo department. But we did take a selfie. We eventually got the plane parked and got to our hotel room, so we were able to get some sleep and start the next day's activities of skydiving.
Can keep my hands on myself. Pick up, dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl is in need. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed. Leave it with the babies till the mama call the grave digger. Gone with the falling leaves. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might have had your fill, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, I feel it still. We could fight a war for peace. Giving to that easy living, goodbye to my hopes and dreams. Stop flipping for my enemies. We could wait until the walls come down. It's time to give a little to the kids in the middle. Oh, until it falls, won't bother me. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. Yeah, your love is an abyss for my heart to eclipse now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still.
fact that somebody has to raise our child while Josh is jumping out of airplanes, I got to go spend some time in the wind tunnel instead of in the sky. Ian thoroughly enjoyed watching not only his mommy, but everyone else that enjoyed playing with him while he was admiring them in the tunnel.
Definitely need.
Walking in the plane. The circus begins. Oh.
How we doing, guys?
Yeah, keep yawning, kid. We need you to sleep on the plane.
Take a nap.
So granted, this is our first trip in the plane, but generally we take the trailer. Like Callie packs, and then I do all the stuff with the trailer, like actually maintenance, cleaning tanks, everything like that. So as I put oil in here, not much has changed. This kid just has a much smaller space to run around. Time to check the tanks and then finish getting her ready, and then yell at Callie until she's done packing. Because I'm doing this YouTube channel, I decided to be an idiot and let my batteries die again. But I was able to charge them in the plane, get the landing, and a few other things. It was nice coming into El Paso with this tailwind. Finally got to see some of that Mooney ground speed.
Here's coming down. Here's green.
You unbuckled me.
Sorry.
It's okay. Oh,
What's up?
the baby's got his muffs off. Okay, I got the muffs on him. That mean he'll keep them on, considering his hand's already on him. You want me to scoot forward?
Yeah, please. See that? They call that the rabbit.
The what?
The rabbit, the light.
The one that's blinking?
Yeah.
And we're down?
We're down.
What is millionaire?
So it's an FBO. So you got Atlantic right here, which is an FBO, and then you have Millionaire, which is going to be another FBO.
What is FBO?
Fixed-based operator. They're the ones that actually take care of the gas and all that stuff.
Is it okay if I slide back?
Yeah, do whatever, we're on the ground.
That thing really is ugly.
Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
The what?
Nothing. I don't think it's ugly.
No?
No.
I just don't know what to think about it, I guess. It has like a 10 head.
Yeah, it's a NASA cargo ship.
Yeah, if it was a person, it would be ugly.
It's a plane, not a person.
Have you ever seen Planes, the movie? They're people.
I don't know what you've been smoking.
Nothing. I did have one cocktail earlier, though.
Alright, so this is Alpha Hangars. Watch this wing for me, because I can be looking at numbers.
You're still good on the wing. I would say that's as close as I feel comfortable letting you get in the wing to the hangar. This looks like number 1. Watch your wing.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was a little too close for my comfort.
That's why I asked you to double check it. That's 3.
Looks like 5.
5. Alright. Nighttime. Light. The white is our hangar.
Watch it.
I got it, babe.